Welcome back. This is Dave. We are here with the Freeman model P55 BBK 55-piece bit and blades kit. It is impact driver bits. There's 10 of each of T25, T20, the Phillips 2, and then your number 2 square or Robertson bits if you're from Canada, with a box of oscillating blades. Here is what they are. And it comes with this nice zippered case. Well, that's not going to help. All right. So here, let's get into this a little bit, okay? So there's the box. We can get rid of that. The paper. Paper is already gone. Yep. Oh, it just says what they're compatible with, right? And there's an adapter for the Dremel and the multi, whatever. So here you go. Paper. Oscillating blades. This is why you buy this kit right here. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. It is a ton of stuff. So here you go. Right there you go. So round, you can see it's not perfectly flat, but this is 15 blades. Is it 15? Let's see. So we got 3 of those. Here is that blade. There's 3 of these, and we got this guy. If you're like me and you just, I use this stuff for sheetrock. There's 3 of those, and then 3 of each of these. Right? You see the teeth on that? These are the grittier teeth. Boom, a little rougher, faster cut. So if you're like me and just do sheetrock and flooring primarily with this, and then I use it for all the little odds and ends, I don't usually need a real high-end bit or blade. So Dremel, Bosch adapters, I don't use those. I don't need a high-end blade, and high-end blades are nice, don't get me wrong, they're super nice, but you're paying 10 bucks a blade and just blowing through them super fast. I mean, sheetrock is not forgiving. Flooring material, oh golly, especially if you're using if you're doing some of this 12mm laminate, oh, it's ridiculous, forget about it. So, do you need expensive blades? They're nice, super nice. Are these going to do the job? Yeah, and it's a lot of blades. 15 blades for what, $55? That's incredible. Plus, then it comes with these impact bits, right, with a nice case. And then this is the zipper case for that. This box of blades tucks up here. And I don't know if you're going to use this. You're probably going to keep those blades in your oscillating case. And then you throw your impacts right there, a little flap, and you can zip it up. So that is really convenient. That is just super convenient. It's got a rigid, it's soft but rigid, so it's not going to bang up inside your truck. It'll just keep everything nice, and then it closes and opens just fine. Here's the thing, in my head, this makes sense for this to be like not putting the bits in the box, but just throwing them in here and letting that flap and then just covering it. I'm not really, I really want to like the case. I like cases, but I just think that if you're going to be, I just think that's going to happen. If you put those up top, do you keep your bits with your impact or not? Anyway, so the case I think is great, but it'd be really great if there is some such thing as a miniature oscillating tool that went in here. So you have you just have your blades open in here, just teeth out and everything, just kind of banging around, and then a flap to protect the tool if there is such thing as a miniature, like an M12 or whatever. But that's I would like that a lot. So anyways, if this was just like that, that's great. I mean, that's a great value. And then let's look at, what is this? This is the number 2 square. So, do you care if it's not much wobble there? You can see So some of these bits though are a little bit wobbly. What was I? The T25, and I don't know if I'll get the right one or not. It had more wobble than I'm. Not a big thing. I don't know if you can see that at all. I think I'm just being picky. So the bits are, this is all, it's not made in the USA. There's some wobble. And just in case you think I'm not being fair. Oh, that one's a lot. You see that? So let's compare it to a different brand of bit. Here's a, what do we got here? Alright, so here's a T25. Different brand. It's longer, right? So it should have more wobble. There's a little bit of wobble. You'd expect it to have wobble because of, well, I guess it's not longer. Looks longer with that little shaft. A little bit of wobble. The wobble is maybe a big deal. It just seemed really profound on the one I used. But I mean, if you're using an impact driver, you've gotten, and it's all about the wobble. It's all about, hitting the screws. So, anyways, this Freeman set is just a bargain. I mean, this is. I'd pay that price just for this one box. Forget the case. Price is a good deal just for this box of blades. And then it's kind of like getting a great deal on blades plus nice case. Actually, my kids are eyeing this case. I have a friend, that's his last name, and I'm tempted to send him the case as a it's just kind of a fun thing. And then this is like, so it's kind of like getting a great deal on bits plus a case free plus 10 T20s, plus 10 Phillips, plus 10 T25s, plus 10 Robertsons for free. I mean, this is bargain hunters. This is it. So here's the box you want to look for. You can order it on Home Depot's website, of course. And I don't think you'll be disappointed. I mean, this is really an incredible value. Heat treated, impact ready, universal storage case. Includes a 5/16 inch wood soft metal saw, one 5/16 inch precision Japan tooth saw blades. Yeah, we saw that. Then a 3/4 bimetal saw blade. That's not true. It has the T20, T25, the square number 2, the Phillips number 2. It has 3 half moon, and really it's bigger than a half moon. It has 3 of those. Oh, this only says it has 3, 6, 8. There's 15. You saw the 15. So the box is even shortchanging this thing. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 55. Okay, so that's right. This is just mislabeled. So, anyways, there you go. And California warning is don't eat these. I think it's really funny the description's off. But that's right. So, give these a shot. Hey, leave in your comments below. If Freeman is new to me. I don't know this brand at all. And so far I've been pleased. Would you leave in the comments below what you think about these new blades and the impact bits? That's fine. But I'm really curious what your experience is with these oscillating tool blades. What kind of longevity are you getting out of these versus the name brands, the Bosch and the... anyways, I'm not supposed to say brands here. What do you think? Give me your thoughts. Give me your experience. I'd really like to know how many, how many square feet of flooring are you getting out of this, or how many sheets of drywall are you getting out of this versus a $10 bit. So, hey, thanks for watching. Come back next time, and we'll have another video. Oh, I got a rad video coming up. Something I've wanted for like 2 or 3 years. Just showed up here, and I'll give you a sneak peek. I'm at home right now. Here's the sneak peek. Yes, that's right. It does come with strapping. Put it on my hand cart. There it is. There it is. Sneak peek of the next video.